Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday to Friday, May 26, 28, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday. We have a shallow low pressure area, or a weak LPA, over the Philippine Sea east of Surigao Provinces, which is still quasi-stationary. But we are going to observe this cloudless system within the next couple of days. And it is embedded within the surface trough. We have surface trough here, bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening, across Visayas, Mindanao, Palawan, and also the areas of Sulu Archipelago. And we already are witnessing the start of the southwesterly or southerly surface wind flow. That's a sign that the southwest monsoon is fast approaching. And outside of Pau, we have a low pressure area which was once 98W, which it weakened for the past 24 hours, and it regained intensity, but still a moderate LPA, and it's now reclassified as 99W. But right now, it's still less than 35% chance of becoming a tropical cyclone. But these two systems, we are going to observe it for the coming days, particularly next week, for a possibility that it could become a tropical cyclone. But right now, it's only one computer model that says so. That's the American model. We're going to show to you later the forecast of that model. Up here across the China area and Japan, we have the frontal system, or the major front, bringing some rains and thunderstorms as well. So just be careful for some possible flash floods and landslides when we have, as well as lightning strikes when we have these severe thunderstorms that may form in various places of the Philippines, but these are isolated ones. Okay, so that's the latest. Let's take a look at our fast animation. You can clearly see here the low pressure area 99W moving to the southeast of Guam, and the shallow LPA right here. Some scattered to isolated thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands. And as we look at the windy.com zoom in satellite animation for the past 6 hours, we can observe some developing thunderstorms all throughout the country, but these are all isolated ones, particularly here over Mindanao, Sulu Archipelago, because of the surface trough, as well as some small areas of Luzon. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation forecast from windy.com, this is from the European model. For the next 3 days until Friday, we could experience some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao and portions of southern Visayas, brought about by the surface trough. And if we look at the latest forecast from the two computer models, this is from the European model. For the next 3 days, still some variable winds is expected across the Philippine Islands, and we could expect some isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, and also some portions of Luzon, including Visayas and Palawan, through Friday. And if we move forward until early next week, on Monday, we could see the shallow LPA moving towards eastern coastal areas of the Visayas and the Bicol region on June 1st. And it's only a low pressure area, but we are going to observe that system in the coming days for possible development. So the probability of that LPA is still at 50-50 chance. We are going to let you know if it will intensify. And if we look at the American model for next week, the low pressure area will become a tropical storm, and it will pass close to the east of Bicol region, and another one will form outside of Par, west of Guam. But again, this forecast is still less than 30% probability, so it may or may not come true. So let's wait for the European model. If it does make it as a tropical cyclone, the probability will increase. Okay, so far that's the latest from our end, and we will be returning again on Friday to give you more updates on the weather, particularly the upcoming low pressure areas to the east of the Philippine Islands. Let's hope and pray it won't affect any part of the country. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.